Hi, my name is Kent and welcome to my SEM for WordPress video training course. Now in this video, I'm going to give you this SEO blueprint. You need to follow this document so you'll be able to complete the course. Now I included a link to this document in the resources section, so you can actually download this PDF document within this video. But if you're having problems downloading this PDF document for any reason, I also included this link in the description. So what you can do is just copy and paste this link into your web browser, and you'll also be able to download this document. So I'll give you an example. Here I am in a new tab. I'm going to paste that link, hit enter. You're going to be redirected to the document. Here it is. Okay, so you can save it to your desktop here by clicking the save button, or you can even print the document out if you're connected to a printer, and then you can have this document to your side and follow along while we're going through the course. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me and I'll be glad to help you. If not, if you're ready to go, I'll see you in the next video and we'll talk about content above the fold. So I will see you in the next video.